Hey there, hope you all doing great today. Today I'm doing good. Today we're going to be checking out a Seiko 5. So this is a special edition Seiko 5. This watch or this series of watches has been extremely popular, hard to find. I got my hands on one. Here we go. It is part of the Naruto collection from Seiko 5, and there's the little booklet that comes with it. Now this box is killer. I mean, this box, you can see the warranty there, but let me get back to the box. It's just so cool looking here. It looks almost like a scroll, something rolled up, and even the way you open it, like we pop this guy out here and unravel it. Very, very cool. And just the presentation on this watch is phenomenal. Um, Here we go. And this is the SBSA093. All Seiko 5s right now are based on this pretty much the same um, SKX design case, and they just kind of modded out to different looks. But um, this Naruto look, very, very cool. This particular model is Gaara, and that's one of the characters on Boruto. And very, very cool looking. You can see the movement there behind the NATO strap. The color combination is killer. So even if you're not into the show, I've only watched a few of them myself, and it's just a neat looking color combination. I mean, it's just a cool looking watch. You know, very, very neat. Let me put this guy back on there. Again, I love this gray NATO strap with that red right down the middle. So here we go. Right there at the 1 o'clock, you can see it's a Japanese kanji character, and that kanji character means love. Very, very cool. And, you know, it's inspired by the show. So very neat. This character has a special gourd, and it's represented here on the watch as well. Again, wish I could help you more about it, but I'm not too familiar with the show and the character, but the watch is really cool. Looks good. Let me move it around there. The character's almost got like a sand-like power, so that's why the dial looks kind of like dusty or sandy, like, you know, very cool like that. And then you've got the gray and the red highlights. So this is a Seiko 5, and you can see there the characters. You both have English and the Japanese there. You can see it there in the date. Just another cool little feature from them. So this one is a 4R36. That is an automatic movement, and the power reserve is about 40 hours. They're saying 41, but I think it's really closer to 40. It's a 24 jewel, the case stainless steel, and again, you know, it's basically the same watch head. They kind of just changed it around for most of the Seiko 5s of recent, but it's just really cool looking. Here, let's take a look at it outdoors. It's a nylon strap, the NATO style strap, and man, it just looks cool, you know. It's really not too bad if you consider the price. The watch retails for $460. Each model is a limited edition of 6,500. But from what I hear, they're really hard to get a hold of. The diameter, my wrist is a 7.5-inch wrist. The diameter of this watch is a 42.5 millimeter. So it's a little bit small on Seiko's ends, but you can see it's a good fit. Definitely does not feel small. It just feels cool to wear. Here we can see it in the dark. Surprisingly, it's got some great lume on this one. I thought with all that stuff going on the dial, they wouldn't have anywhere to put the lume, but you can see it on the hands and at the 12 o'clock position, and the second hand looks fantastic. Thanks, guys. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to check out this video. Bring you some new stuff soon. Thanks. Please like and subscribe.